Welcome back, the fashion lover. Today, we are the exploring charm of casual wear, memor dressing, perfect for everyday elegance. Memor dressing are casual wear with comfort, style, and culture inspiration stitches into every outfit, whether it's for a relaxed day out, family gathering, a stroll in the city. Memor casual dressing always make a statement in this video. Well, dive into stunning design, color, and patterns that make memor dressing so special. Stay with us till and to see how casual fashions can still be graceful, timeless, and memor casual dressing are loved on their perfect balance between comfort and traditional elegance. Some designs are kept minimal with simple stitching, perfect for women who prefer effortless style. Short knee length vision are trendy among younger girls, blending traditional with a modern twist. Stripped or printed design are becoming a casual trend with memor fashions. Some designing includes slit for eraser movement and a chic everyday vibes. Many casual designs pair beautifully with simple sandals or flats. For cooler season, casual memor dressings layered with shawl or light jackets. Embroidered borders at the hemline being a touch of charm even to simple everyday wear. Some casual dressing was styled with belt or sashes to waistline. Printed dressing can easily shift for day wear to evening wear with a just change of a series. They strike the perfect balance between everyday wear and graceful and traditional style. Some design use hold vibrant color for a youthful and energetic appeal. Every stitch tell a story, culture, elegance, and effort grace. They are versatile, suitable for all ages, all occasions, all seasons. Whether plain printed or embroidered, each design being out a unique personality. They celebrate the everyday woman with elegance in simplify. Truly casual memming dresser are a blend of traditional style and comfort stitches into one, and the wrap as today showcase of casual memming dressing, simple, stylish, and timeless. Which design was your favorite? Share your thought in the comment below. Don't forget like the video and subscribe for more fashion inspiration. Every week, member dressing proof that casual fashion can still be graceful and elegant. Thank you for watching and see in next video with more stunning outfit ideas. With this intro alterations, you have unlimited scripts are ready to use for casual wear.